Yo, what is up? It's your boy AM.
Integral PM.
We're in AMPM studios. We're about to head out into the cover of darkness. What we're going to be doing today is checking out PDX Winter Wonderland, which is Christmas lights on a racetrack. It stopped raining, so it's good for us to go out and check it out. It's only about like 7 o'clock in the evening, but it is so dark here that it almost looks like it's midnight. So hopefully you can see the lights in this video because it's going to be pretty dark. But we're at home right now and we're about to go out into the wilderness. So we'll be back in a bit. All right, we're on the road right now. It's really dark outside as you can see here. But we're on our way to a winter wonderland. So exciting. PM. Our faithful navigator, our faithful driver. I'm the navigator. Once we get there, we'll show you the wonderful, cool Christmas lights. We're gonna get into the mood right now by putting on some Christmas tunes. All right, the International Raceway, here we come. So over here is where the Winter Wonderland is located. I think you can see some lights over there in the back. Barely, but we're on our way. Check it out. Pretty awesome. Right there, Wonderland International Raceway. Here we come. No studded tires. Welcome to the Winter Wonderland.
Oh,
Look at this. Oh, we're so excited. Check it out. Look at that. Let me zoom in on this, guys. Look at that. Check in right now. PM, are you excited?
I'm really excited. Look at it. Oh, this is so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, this is way cool. The whole road is all lit up. We have all these little Santa Claus over here. Pulling up to the pay booth right here. Take the right. We should take the far left one.
It's okay.
Cool. We're gonna check in right here.
Yeah, you can do a tap. Tap or swipe.
It doesn't have the symbol. There it goes. There we go. Headlights will be off on the track.
Oh, okay.
When you leave tonight, please turn your headlights back on.
Okay.
And there's no hurry. If someone's in a hurry behind you, they can go in.
Okay, great.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. Look at that. That's cool.
Beautiful.
We're going in. We had to turn our headlights off because it's a no headlight zone. So we're all in the cover of darkness. We just gotta go slow and check out all the cool lights. That. Cool. Got Santa's over here. Up in the top, we got some reindeers. Guys snowing. This is pretty cool. There's a dinosaur over there too. Jurassic Park. Man, the sky you some of the city lights. All those advertisements right there. Atlantis. Look at that. That's cool. What does that have to do with Santa Claus? Look at that.
I like this archway.
Look at that. The dragon over there is juggling.
Why is it really?
Oh, there's a cobra right here. Look at that.
Ooh, that's very cool. Almost looks like Godzilla. It's like a Godzilla.
Godzilla. PM is our faithful driver. You can go even slower. This car's going slow, so you just go cruise.
Yeah, I'm cruising. Oh, I like this raptor. I like the long neck.
Yeah, that one's cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so magical. Sing the Jurassic Park theme song when we leave.
Now we're entering like a puff of magic dragon.
Well, it's Loch Ness.
Oh, maybe it's like an Irish. Ooh, there's King Triton.
This is an underwater one. Okay. We're getting all types of stories and themes over here.
Oh, it's a tugboat. Oh,
Tugboat.
that's his wings.
Oh yeah, there's waves right here. Look at that.
Oh, that's his... Okay, this is water theme. I get the theme. Oh, there's a lighthouse.
Look, there's PM doing an ice skate moves. Look at that. There's this shoe. Ooh, look at this. Happy holidays. We got trumpeters. That is really epic. Look at that. So cool. Look at that thing over there. It's like two, what's it called? Lovebirds? Lovebirds?
Oh, this is
Now we got 4 mockingbirds. Hunger Games. I guess that's mockingjays, not mockingbirds. Mockingjays are birds, though, so yes. 5 golden rings. What's this over here? 6 turtle doves.
Day of Christmas with you and Timmy. 6 geese a-laying.
Oh, that's 6 of geese a laying, not turtle doves.
General birds. That's crazy.
I know.
Why did I ever know they were birds? When I was little, I thought they were like actual birds.
Man, they laid a bunch of eggs, man.
How do they want to swim?
They're just 7 swans swimming. Ew, they're like shooting water out of their mouths. brought to you by Dairy Gold. That's funny. 9 ladies dancing. It's like a burlesque show. This song's kind of raunchy, I think. You have 10 floors of leaping. What's the next one, Paige?
11 flutes?
No. 11 pipers piping.
Oh, Piper's piping.
11 flutes of fluting.
Alright. 12 drummers drumming.
Yeah, look at that. Dun, 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 dun. This is so cool. Little stick trees. Look at janky little trees, huh? That's kind of a nasty little deer right there. Like a sensor. That was raunchy, man. Oh yeah, we got a little deer jumping over us. Da, 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 da. There he goes. Oh, oh. Oh! What's a lady wolf song? So silly. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow. That is epic. Oh my gosh. Feels like I'm going into the future. Wow, look at this. It's Christmas. That is so epic. Wow, we're going through it. Magical. It's peace on earth. Wow, look what we're going to. Happy Kwanzaa!
Happy Kwanzaa! Happy Hanukkah! Oh,
Yeah.
multicultures, multi-religions. Alright.
Wow, we're going into another light tunnel. Look at this. Whoa! Oh, that's magical. Light tunnels are like the coolest things.
Mm.
I hear the train. Bump. Got drums. Oh, we're off the racetrack now, huh?
Yeah, I guess so.
We're like on.
I thought when we passed that officer,
We're on the backwoods now.
we got off.
And we're gonna go through the archway.
I really like the archways.
Yeah, they're pretty magical.
Small flower.
Look at this doll, Annabelle, right here.
Oh. Why'd you say that?
We've come to the end, my friend. Can't stay here. It's time to go.
Oh, that's so fun.
That was a lot of fun. On our way out of the Winter Wonderland, which is pretty cool. Thank you for driving me through the Winter Wonderland,
Yeah.
getting me into the Christmas spirit. I appreciate it, especially on this gloomy night. Look at this.
You know, it wasn't raining, so it's fine.
Yeah, but it's a bit kind of scary though.
Nice sticking to the home. Didn't do anything. It's nice.
Oh man, it started raining. Look at this. We lucked out. Our Winter Wonderland could have got rained out, but we didn't.